grabbing your Sapphire box that has the towelettes in it. When you pop it open, it has everything in it that you need. There's a towelette, kind of has some moisture in it already, ready to go. So just pop that out, lay it on the table. It's folded into fours, so just flip it open. You should be able to place that on there very easily. Pop that open. And I'd recommend that you think of the keyboard being the first one. You could always unplug it if it's attached. That way, if it's not turned on, if you do it before you turn the computer on as well, you can do the mouse and the keyboard, and it won't affect any of your program. Otherwise, just unplug it. Take it out real quickly there. And then finish up with the table. Just kind of get the whole surface area right there, go all the way around the keyboard, and then you can move out the mouse and the keyboard. Just get right up in there, all the areas that you might come in contact with. And then follow up, you have that area. You can even go on the base of the computer face itself where the button is for turning on. Make sure you hit that. Take a look at the chair itself. You can do the seat, the armrest in the back. Wrap it all the way around there. It gives you a nice clean surface. And finally, you just take a look where your footrest is. Just wipe that off real quick. And you got it. Nice, clean, ready to go.